One of my favorite go-to recipes for cold weather is this simple chili recipe I'm about to show you. It requires a lot of can opening, but not a lot of effort other than that. Start by dicing 2 cups of onions and saute them in a pan. Add 2 pounds of meat and let that brown. Once the meat is browned, it is time to start adding the vegetables.